Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the Apple TV and selecting the HDMI input on your TV. Once the screen appears, connect to Wi-Fi or plug in Ethernet. Wired is more reliable for 4K. Make sure you pair the Siri remote now by holding menu and volume up until the light blinks. You should see the home screen within a minute, so don't wait. Name the device and sign in with your Apple ID to sync apps and purchases. You now tune the experience. Sign in with your Apple ID to restore prior purchases and enable iCloud Sync. Then download the streaming apps you use, Apple TV app, Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, or others, and organize them on the home row. Next, adjust settings. Choose video resolution and HDR, set audio output to your sound system, and review privacy options so apps have only needed permissions. You finish by testing playback and using AirPlay from an iPhone or Mac to confirm casting works. Once done, enable automatic updates so apps stay current and set sleep to save energy. If content won't load, restart the Apple TV and your router first, then check HDMI connections and sign in status. If issues persist, sign out of your Apple ID, restart, and sign back in. This often clears account or DRM problems and gets you back to streaming quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.